change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Everyone, I just wanted to let you know about the travel sale going on at Container Store, and if you don't know about it, it is going on through the end of this month with 25% off every travel item. I know, mind blown. It is amazing. So let's get started. I love Eagle Creek. I got into using their luggage about 4 or 5 years ago, and I have the small, medium, and large, and I've only had one issue and that was with United coming home from Princess. I checked that, and I don't know if it was Magical Express or United, but in the process of getting it home from Orlando, it got damaged very badly, and I sent Eagle Creek the pictures, and luckily all I had to do was pay for shipping, and they replaced the parts on the luggage and sent it back to me, and I've been able to use it since. So that is a nice plan to have. Shipping was expensive, so I wouldn't have liked that, but I do love the overall luggage. I love it. So I love how you can pack neatly, and especially they make Eagle Creek compression cubes, and those are my favorite. So in the sale, number one is I stocked up on the new design of compression cubes. So this is so adorable. It has California and just little different designs, but what I love about these is it gives you two. You can roll shirts in here or running outfits in here. And then you close that part, and then you close the compression, and it just squeezes it down in your luggage. And then it gives you the bigger one too, which is really nice for dresses and pants and things like that. And this was originally $39.95, and I got this down to $29. So $10 off is not a bad deal. Next up, with Eagle Creek, this I unzipped it, so I'm sorry. It was in a little, it starts out like in this little pocket looking thing like that. So just imagine if you can. I know I'm horrible and I unzipped it already, but, and then you unzip that, and out comes this Eagle Creek backpack. Well, it's a day pack, and the nice thing about it is it has a water bottle holder right here, an outer pocket, and the cool things about these are if you are going anywhere where you might have issues with pickpocketers, you can take this, you can see, and you zip it, and then you put it through, if I can do it, you put it through the hole up here. You do it with the other one too, and it ain't going anywhere. So you do it and then do it again. It ain't going anywhere. It has nice backpack straps that are lined here, and I chose this black one. They had it in blue as well, which was really pretty, but I figure this just blends in more. It doesn't stand out, and so I thought this was a good deal. These was $31 down to $23. And it's just very light. There's nothing special inside, so I mean, if I unzip it, you can just drop your stuff in there for the day and go, basically, and that's what it's for. So I couldn't decide between that and this adorable one. It has bicycles on it, and it's yellow, my favorite color. So it comes zipped in this little container right here, and then you unzip it, and it's the front pocket, and it's a backpack. There's no water bottle holder or anything, and no special straps, nothing fancy about it. It is heavier designed keys, or heavier design zippers, and then it's just blank inside. This was $34 down to $26. I don't know why it's more expensive than Eagle Creek. I don't know, but I couldn't give it up. It just looks European with the bikes and the yellow and the chevron, so couldn't give it up. This goes with travel, but it was not part of the sale. But I've been wanting something like this, and I saw this and I was like, well, yes, it's just another water bottle, but do you see how pretty it is? It's pink. I couldn't decide between pink or blue, but when it came down to it, the pink, especially like with the sunlight on it, it's just, it wins. So the nice thing about this is it is leak proof, and when I say leak proof, I mean leak proof. You have a little thing right here. You can see, there we go. You have to so you press it down like that, and then you can press the lid open. And if you look, it has like a thing in there to help to Vacucraft. Makes sense, it's leak proof. And then you just close it when you're done and pull that thing back up, and even if you press it a million times, it's not doing anything. And you got a strap to attach to your backpack or something. It will be heavy. I chose 32 ounces. They also have a smaller size, which I think was like 20 ounces or 20 some ounces, but I need to hydrate. So I chose this, and this was $15.99. Have you used Eagle Creek before? And if you have, are you still using it, or have you switched to Away or Rimowa or something else? And do you like that? Comment below, and comment below what you got at the Container Store travel sale. I want to hear. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Hit that like button and click subscribe. Bye.